Welcome. If you want to send the data from Android smartphone to your Alcatel One X 2019, we have to use the application to transfer data, and you can get it from the Google Play Store. So I just download the application named Clone It, and I'm gonna open it on the both smartphones. And right now we are sending data from this Android smartphone. It is my phone, phone 8. So click here sender and tap on the receiver on your Alcatel One X 2019. Tap on the search again. Click on this Android Share 7752 icon. And as you can see, we have two ways to connect: by input the password and also by scanning the QR code. So I'm gonna scan the code, click on the allow. Okay, now we have to wait and accept the request on our Android smartphone. And if you wanna take everything from this Android smartphone, you press on these icons and select everything, right? But that is only example, so I'm gonna click on the details just to pick one of the two things, probably this photo and this screenshot. So right now tap on the start, click on OK, and it's done. So click finish on the both phones. And right now when I'm going to the downloads, we'll find here our photo that we sent, and when we move to the screenshots, they will be the screenshot. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.